Looking back after Ryan and Elizabeth got engaged, I've realized all the precious memories that have been made through my life. Elizabeth was the most beautiful newborn I have ever seen, bar none.
So Elizabeth truly is like a sister to me. Even though she's 2 years younger, I look up to her in so many ways. She's the most loyal, supportive, loving, free-spirited, adventurous person I know.
Elizabeth is literally the best person to talk to about anything. She's literally the most beautiful person inside and out, and I love her, and I'm so glad that she found a person like Ryan.
So just to say a few words about Ryan, I've been able to spend some time with them together over the past year, and it's pretty easy to notice how much he loves her.
My baby is all grown up now. I'm extremely proud to be your father. I just hope that you guys are blessed with a daughter. Because Ryan, one day you might wake up from a nap and your toenails may be painted hot pink. All I can say is embrace it. It just don't last long enough.
Elizabeth, you're absolutely everything to me. I cannot imagine my life without you. To think of an entire life with you brings tears to my eyes and joy to my heart. My hands tremble as I write this because I am unable to put into words how much you mean to me. When I look at you, I see the rest of my existence. I know that you are always here for me, and your love is truly unconditional.
I didn't think it was possible to have someone love me the way you do. I can't promise that every day will be perfect or every day will be easy, but I promise that I'll love you to the fullest every day, regardless of what life throws at us.
You're my absolute everything. You're all that I want or need. You make me truly happy. You're my best friend. I love you. I love you. I love you.
We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts. In this ceremony, we will witness the joining of Elizabeth Chafin and Ryan Woosley in marriage. Today, these two promise to dedicate themselves completely to each other. For them, out of the routine of ordinary life, the extraordinary has happened. They found each other and have grown into a deep love. They wish to advance their feelings into a new journey in life, marriage. The path of love, compassion, joy, and partnership.
Last January or February 2016, Ryan asked us for her hand. About a year went by, and he still hadn't asked her. At that point, I was kind of getting concerned about it. But finally, he did ask her. I've never seen my daughter so happy as that day. Which brings us to today. And my daughter is the most beautiful bride I've ever seen.
always promise to be your number one fan and your biggest cheerleader. I promise to never go to bed angry and to count my blessings for every day I have you around. I promise to put you first. I promise to be faithful and loyal to you. I promise to stand by your side through the bad times and the good times until we no longer walk this earth.